Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me start. So let me start from here. So yesterday we started with the gamma function. Gamma n equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. This is the first form of the gamma function. In the same way, we can write gamma function as integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus kx x raised to n minus 1 dx, and the value of integral is gamma n divided by k raised to n. Gamma 0 is equal to infinity, therefore we considered gamma function for n greater than 0. Okay. Then gamma 1 is equal to 1, gamma half equal to root pi. Then next is value of the gamma function, that is equal to n minus 1 factorial when n is positive integer, and it is n minus 1 gamma n minus 1 whenever n is a positive fraction. Okay. Then gamma p into gamma 1 minus p is equal to pi divided by sine of p pi, where p lies between 0 to 1. Okay. Then we studied examples of type number 3, few examples of type number 4 also. Okay. And then we started with a new topic, beta function. Okay, so what is beta function? Beta function of mn is denoted by beta mn, where m and n are greater than 0, and it is given by beta m comma n equal to integration from 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. Then we started with different properties of beta function. Beta function is commutative, that is beta mn is always equal to beta nm. Okay, this was the first property. Second, we studied alternate form of the beta function. Beta mn may be written as where it is, here it is, integration from 0 to pi by 2, here it is, beta mn equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to 2m minus 1 theta cos raised to 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Or in terms of p, we can write like this, 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to p theta cos raised to q theta d theta equal to half beta of p plus 1 by 2 comma q plus 1 divided by 2. Next, we studied one more form of the beta function. Beta function may be written as 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Then we studied two more formulas, relation between beta and gamma function. Beta mn is always equal to gamma m gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. And then duplication formula is there, gamma m into gamma m plus half, that is equal to root pi divided by 2 raised to 2m minus 1 into gamma 2m. So in today's lecture, what we'll do now, hope everyone has joined. Who not joined, which division has not joined till? A division. Only few are there from B division. Hope they will join. Okay. Let me continue. So we'll start with the beta function. We'll revise the properties of beta function and then the remaining examples. Okay. So right. Page number 40. Right. Beta function. 1. What is beta mn? Integration from 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. Provided m and n are greater than 0. Then we studied second form of the beta function, 0 to pi by 2 times sine raised to 2m minus 1 theta cos raised to 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Third, we return the beta function in this form also. Okay, then we developed one more formula. It was like this. Write them. Okay, then we understood that beta function is committed. Beta mn is always equal to beta nm. Then we understood relation between beta and gamma function. Okay, and then we studied duplication formula. Two raised to 2m minus 1 gamma 2m. We know this formula also. Right, what is restriction on the p? P between 0 to 1. So remember all these formulas. Okay, now we'll go through few examples. First, we'll go through examples where we have to use these 8 formulas. Okay, so let me continue. Let me change the page. CR, why only 63 people are there? What about others? 50% people they are absent. Why? Saras? Saras is here?
Yes, sir.
Saras, काय होते? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? बरेच लोक नाही आहेत. माहित नाही कसं माहित असते. सांगायचं नाही मन.
सर ए डिव्हिजनचे मॅक्झिमम लोक दिसत
आहेत काय? ओके. काय लेक्चर आवडेल ना काय मॅथ्सचं?
सर जो पेपर दिला होता
हा हा.
लास्ट जे लेक्चर होतं ना त्याच्यात 5-10 मिनिटं एक्स्ट्रा दिले.
अच्छा, एक्झाम होती का?
हा, जस्ट सॅम्पल असं 7 क्वेश्चन पेपर होता.
कशाचा, कोणत्या सब्जेक्टचा?
एन्व्हायरमेंटल.
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके. व्हॉट अबाउट बी डिव्हिजन? तेजस
केलाय सर मी मेसेज.
नाही, मेसेज तर ठीक आहे. मेसेज तर मी केलाय, तूही केलाय, त्याने काही फरक नाही पडत. काय एक्झॅक्टली काय सुरू काय आहे मुलांचं? व्हॉट दे आर डुईंग, व्हॉट दे आर थिंकिंग. Somehow we have to give the online exam. That's it. Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, continue. Let me continue. Achha, have you understood these formulas of beta function? Remember them, huh? Where I have to go now? Here. Yes, let me change the page. Type number 1. Evaluate. So using right now, you have to use this formula. Gamma 2, gamma 3, gamma 2 plus 3, 5. But what is gamma 2? 1 factorial. 2 factorial, isn't it? 4 factorial. So 2 divided by 24. 1 divided by 12. Getting everyone? second. Integration from, right, evaluate 0 to pi by 2. Sin raised to 6 theta, cos raised to 5 theta, d theta. How we can solve this integral? Which formula we can use? Reduction formula. Remember reduction formula, na? 6 minus 1, 5, then subtract 2, then subtract 2, 5 minus 1, 4, then subtract 2. Again, if you subtract 2, we are getting 0, so stop here. 11, subtract 2, subtract 2, subtract 2. What about P? 1. Use calcium and tell me what the answer is. 8 divided by
8 divided by 693.
absolutely. Or alternative is there. What is alternative? 0 to pi by 2. Sin raised to p theta. Cos raised to q theta d theta. What is the answer? Half. Right now? Use this. Therefore, integral is equal to half beta of, what is p here? 6. What is q here? 5. Isn't it? And then we know how to find this. Gamma 7 by 2. Gamma 3. Gamma 7 by 2 plus 3. Again, this also we know how to find it. What is gamma 7 by 2? Subtract 1, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, root pi. Gamma half, that is root pi. What is gamma 3? 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. I have written it directly. Gamma 13 by 2, 11 by 2, 9 by 2, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, go on subtracting 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, gamma half, root pi. These values and these values will cancel. And then it is, this 2 will cancel. 8 divided by 693. Please check your answer. So use any method, you will get same answer.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay, okay. Hope you might have understood it. Can I change the page now? Let me change the page. Third example. Can we use reduction formula for this? Can we use reduction formula? Tejas, can we use reduction formula for this? Tejas, okay. Why not? Atharv Deshmukh, can we use reduction formula for this?
So power
Saurabh
should be
Kamble, For reduction formula, I'll write it. Reduction formula is not applicable since half and 3/2 are fractions, and reduction formula is valid whenever what the m and n should be. M and n should be whole numbers. You can write it. Reduction formula is valid if m and n are whole numbers. Whole numbers greater than 0, huh? Please, I'm not writing everything, you understand it. So we'll use this formula, okay? So you might have understood now why this formula is important. This formula, sin raised to p theta, cos raised to q theta, d theta. Whenever reduction formula is not applicable, we can use this formula. Okay. So half beta of p is half. Okay, so that is equal to half now convert this into gamma form. Let me write it from here. Gamma m, gamma n gamma 3/4 cannot be simplified as it is. Gamma 5/4 minus 1, 1/4, gamma 1/4. So gamma 2 is 1 factorial. Okay, but can we use this formula? P formula. Right? We know this formula. Therefore, gamma 1/4, 1 minus 1/4. So gamma 1/4, 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. That is equal to pi divided by sine of p. P is 4. So pi/4. What is sine pi/4? 1 upon root. Okay. So substitute this value in equation number 1. So better I should mention I here. This part, huh? 1/2 as it is. 1/4 as it is. What is gamma 3/4, gamma 1/4? Root 2 pi. Root 2 cancelled. Hope you might have understood. Hope everyone is getting all these things very well. 2-3 different formulas are used. First, the integral converted into beta form. 1. Beta function converted into gamma function. Second, and to find the value of gamma function, P formula is used. So 3 different formulas we have used. जबते श्रवण है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? आवाज नहीं आ रही किसी की? हाँ,
वो समझता है।
ओके, ग्रेट,
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. Let me continue. Let me change the page. Any doubt in this example? 3 different ways we have done. See, first, using this formula, we converted the integral into beta form. Okay, then beta function is converted into gamma function here. And to find value of this gamma function, we used P formula. And then everything is simplified. Okay, next. So this was this was page number 42. Let me go to the page number 43. Right.
Sir, page. Sir, page.
Oh, sorry. Evaluate. Use this formula. You can simplify this. Next.
तर ते जेव्हा
Yeah.
यूज करते ते व्हॅल्यूज इंटिग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to m plus 1
हा.
हे केव्हा यूज करायचे म्हणजे
हे पुढच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. This is equal to beta mn, another form of beta function. So compare the power of x. M plus n equal to 12. So 6 plus n equal to 12. So what the n is? 6. This is the answer. Next.
सर म्हणजे कन्वर्ट करायची गरज नाही का?
करायची गरज आहे ना, तुम्ही करा ना. Convert that into fraction. Use calci for that.
नाही कन्वर्ट म्हणजे ते integration 0 to 1 la 0 to
No,
infinity.
not required. Not required. Okay. Next example. Let me change the page. So this formula is to be used. Duplication formula. Two raised to 2m. Simplify this.
15 root pi by 4.
50.
15 root pi divided by 4.
Great. This is the answer. Okay. Find this. I think we solved this before some time. In the previous example, we solved it. Root 2 pi was the answer. You can cross check it.
सेवन बाय 4 पायचं 3 by 4 पाय कसं झालं
7 कुठे आले?
गॅमा
This is-
7 by 4
This is 3 by 4. ते कसं झालं? अच्छा.
येस सर
Okay. This is used. 3 pi divided by 2 root 2. This is the answer. Hope this is clear. Can I change the page? Next example. Let me change the page. Right. Type number 2. Evaluate So for the beta function, what is required? X 1 minus x is required. Okay, so now substitute limits. Limits of t are to be obtained. Limits of x are known to us. Root of 0, 0, root of 1, 1, no change. Therefore, the given integral will become no change in the limits, x is t square okay to outside. Okay, now use this formula. So 2 times beta of what? You can simplify this. I have the answer. I am writing it directly. You cross check it. 1/5148. Hope you might have understood. Clear? Next. Next example. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Evaluate so let dx limits so the integral will become simplify this In formula, instead of using m and n, I'm using alpha and beta, since m and n is already used up. So alpha minus 1 is beta equal to half. So answer is you can keep as it is, and if you want, you can simplify it in terms of gamma function. It depends upon how the option is given. Sure. Next page. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
1 minute.
Right. No problem. Take your own time, write it. Yes, is it okay? Let me go through the next example. No, type number 3. Evaluate sorry, So see what we want to do. N minus x is there. That is to be converted into 1 minus p. So here we want 1 so that we can compare them. So say I take n common. So what is remaining? 1 minus x by n to be converted into 1 minus p. So what should be substitution? Yes, substitute t equal to x by n. Hope you might have understood how to decide the substitutions. Clear? Limits. Let me write it here. I think there is a little bit mistake while writing the problem. Please make the change. It is 0 to n. 0 to n x raised to m n minus x raised to p dx. 0 to n है, इधर n है, यहाँ पे n है. So हमें t की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. X is known to us, 0 and n. So what the t is? 0 and 1. That is what we want. Okay. Therefore, the integral will become 0 to 1 x. X is equal to nt raised to n. N minus x, but what the x is? Nt. Dx and dt. N is taken outside the bracket. So these n terms 1, 2, 3 are taken outside. And this is the beta function. As usual, we have to add in the power of t and 1 minus t. This is the answer. Hope everyone is getting this. We'll go through one more example to understand this. So limit is not, in this type of example, limit is not 0 to 1. It is 0 to n, and n appears in n minus x. Instead of 1 minus x, we have n minus x. Okay. Let me change the page. Can I? So that we'll go through the next example. Right. Evaluate. Integration from 0 to where it is 2 so what should be substitution? Rana, substitute x cube divided by 8. What the x is? Cube root. Cube root of 8 is 2. So these values are to be used. Limits of x are known to us 0 and 2. X equal to 0, 0 divided by 8 is 0. X equal to 2, 2 cube 8. 8 by 8 is 1. Okay, so use all these values. Therefore, integral will become zero to 1 x to t raised to 1 upon 3. 8 minus what is x cube 8t dx. Constants are to be written outside. See, t raised to 1 by 3, t raised to minus 2 by 3. 8 is taken outside, so 8 raised to 1 upon 3. Now we know the beta function formula. So find m and n. Four by three. And then what is the value of this? 2. So 4 by 3 into 2. I'll write it on the next page. Can I change the page?
Sir,
Uh-huh.
M 4 by 3 आहे आणि N 2 by 3 आहे ना?
2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Correct.
सर M 4 by 3 आहे ना?
M and N are interchangeable, but why M 4 by 3? M is 2 by 3 and N is 4 by 3.
Yes sir, sorry sir.
Okay. So like this, let me change the page. So the integral I equal to 4 by 3 as it is into 8 raised to 1 upon 3, that is 2, and beta of 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Gamma 2 by 3, gamma 4 by 3, gamma 2. Gamma 2 by 3 cannot be simplified. 4 by 3 is 1 by 3 into gamma 1 by 3. And this is 1 factorial. Now this is equal to use this formula. So P is 1 by 3. Sine of 60, root 3 by 2. Hope you are getting this answer. Sixteen pi divided by 9 root 3. This
9 root 3.
was correct. Can I change the page?
Yes sir.
Type number 4. Page number 50. No?
Sir, page.
evaluate integration from a to b. Okay, so two different things are there. One, the limit should be 0 to 1. Okay, as well as we don't want x minus a anywhere, we want x only. Right now? So see what the limit is. Say I consider t equal to x minus a. Okay, then see how the limits will change. Limits should be like this. Limits of x are a and b. Limits of t will be substitute x equal to a minus a is 0. Then x equal to b. So we are getting b minus a. We don't want b minus a. Instead of b minus a, what we want? 1 we want here. Okay. So how we can get 1? For that we have to do like this. See. T equal to x minus a, na? That is to be divided by b minus a. And now how we'll understand it? How we will understand it? See the order of integration. Limits of integration. Integration from a to b. So difference between this a and b is in denominator. Okay. So this will not work. We'll see whether this is working or not. Let me start with the limits. Limits of x are a and b. Substitute x equal to a. A minus a is 0. 0 divided by b minus a. 0 only. Then next b minus a divided by b minus a. So what the limit is? 1. So see what the limits are. 0 and 1. And that is what we want. Okay. Limit should be 0 to 1. Then x minus a is known to us. X minus a equal to b minus a into t. Okay. Then try to find b minus x. B minus x equal to b minus. What is x? Find x from here. Simplify this. Take b minus a outside. Yes, we are getting 1 minus t. So x minus a is known to us, b minus x is known to us, limits are known to us. Okay, dx is remaining now. Okay, x equal to, I'm writing x from here. So what is dx? So all the required 4 values are known to us. X minus a, b minus x, dx, as well as limits. Okay, so we'll use them and we'll try to simplify the integral. Okay, can I consider the integral on next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me solve the integral. So we have integral like this. Integration from a to b. So limits will become 0 to 1. X minus a is b minus a t. B minus x is b minus a 1 minus t. And dx is b minus a dt. So b minus a raised to m, t raised to n. So b minus a, b minus a, b minus a. Thus, So remember how the limits are considered, okay? That we will consider in next example. Tomorrow we'll solve 1 or 2 more examples of beta function, and then we'll start with the differentiation under integral sign. We'll stop here. Let me take the attendance. Division B first and then division A. Division B, roll number 1. Absent. 2,
Present, sir.
3. Roll number 3.
Sir, 3 present. Chat
4.
box.
4. Absent. 5. Absent. 6.
6 present, sir.
6 present. 7.
7 present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
7
Nine.
present, sir.
7 present. 8 present. 9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12. B division, huh? 12. 12 absent. 13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15. 15 absent. 16. Absent. 17.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
Who is
Sir,
present?
B.
18.
Yes, sir.
18 present, sir.
Okay. 19.
तर B चे
18
चालू आहे,
present.
A चे चालू आहे.
18
सर ए वाले
present.
द्यायला लागलेत.
B division. B division. B for civil. 18.
18
present,
sir.
19.
Present.
20. 20 absent. B division. 21. Absent. 22. Absent. 23. Absent. 24.